one, guys. It's only 104. This is perfect in my entryway. Look at this, guys. And this is the latest trend now. If you want a bohemian style, rattan chair nowadays and rattan furnitures are in the trend now, guys. There is more, and this one also, and that one. I'm so happy, guys. I found the light that I wanted in my entryway, guys. Happy Thursday, everyone, and welcome to my another vlog. Ayan, guys. So, by the way, guys, I just came home and I just came from home center, guys, and I just wanted to share with you when it comes to furniture, guys. I always buy at home center and home box. They have also nice furnitures there, guys, aside from IKEA. So people like me, I'm just an ordinary person, guys. So yun lang ang kaya kong those three that I've mentioned is the only thing that I can afford, guys, when it comes to furniture. This pottery barn is not my level, guys. So anyway, guys, I did a vlog inside the home center and as well as home box, guys. By the way, guys, home center, they are on sale right now, and last week, guys, I browsed their online catalog, and I really like one of the pendant light, guys, and I was planning to makeover for my small entryway, guys. By the way, guys, I'm from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and I'm just renting my apartment, guys, and I'm really happy I bought this pendant light, guys. By the way, guys, this last few months I bought two lights, pendant lights in home center, guys. I don't know why I'm so obsessed when it comes to light, guys, and I wanted to show you what I've got. So 1, 2, 3, tada! Look at this, guys. This is the pendant light, guys. Wait. So anything brass or gold, guys, I really like it. This one, it goes perfect all together. It has a matte black, and this one, it has a gold thing here, and this one is a brass gold, guys, and the one down there is a transparent white glass, guys. So it's up to you which bulb you want, the one transparent or the frosted one, guys. So since I have one transparent bulb in my living room, and in my dining room area is frosted one, guys, maybe I will try frosted also here, guys. Look at this, guys. It's so perfect in my small entryway, guys, and I'm so happy that I was able to buy this one, guys. By the way, guys, this one regular price it's 149, and I got it only 104 reals. So diba, parang what is nakasave ako ng 45 reals, guys. And this one, they have another design, guys. If you want, like, there is like 3 pieces of this one. They like hanging not on the same level. One is very high and the one are very low. So I'm so happy that I bought it, guys. So by the way, guys, as you've noticed, this one has no box, guys, because this is the last piece. And the display one, guys, I really insisted on them that it's okay, I will buy it, because they told me whether there is damage or what, it depends on me if I like it. So I told them, please take it down. I wanted to buy this one because I know it's working, because this one was display, guys. Of course, they already tested it. It has a bulb inside, guys. But when I bought it, they removed the bulb because the bulb was not included on this price, guys. I told them it's okay. I have one new one Philips bulb on my entryway. So this one is perfect, guys, because that one is a frosted bulb, guys. So anyhow, guys, since I've told you, I did a vlog inside this home center, and the last few months I did in the home box. So I will share it with you, guys. Ang sarap lang iuwi nila sa Pinas, guys. I was so what you call this one, I saw some of the pendant lights, guys. It's the same design, same model in the Philippines, guys. I get so shocked when I knew the price, how much they are selling compared to the prices here, guys. I think you can buy you can buy double, triple of the same model and the lights, guys. Maybe because if you will shift these things, it's so expensive in the Philippines because the shipping fee, and you have shipping fee plus the insurance, and what are they have to charge for you before you can shift all these things, insurance, shipping fee,
After a few
and
moments later.
what else? Anyway, guys, I will just write down below here what are the things that they will charge for you, because before, guys, parang cheaper lang mag-uwi ng mga appliances. It's free, walang tax before. Ngayon, guys, lahat ng bibilhin mo may tax na. Because I've already did before, I shifted some of my IKEA furnitures, bed and everything, and it's cheaper, guys, compared that you will buy in the Philippines. And what is the nice one, guys, because it will reach until from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia to the province where I came from, guys. I am planning to renovate a small living room in my mother's house, guys. So I was planning to shift some of the pendant lights here. As I've told you, it's so expensive in the Philippines.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all to your tight. I guess our hearts can align.
I'm here in Home Center, guys. Al Salam Mall branch. I'm here to collect my order. Ayan siya, guys. Nag-order ako sa online shopping nila. Pick up kasi. So, andito na daw yung order ko. Ito yung binili ko, guys, for my dining. Ang ganda ng pendant light. Galing din ako dito last week. I bought another pendant, guys. Ang mga yeye menu na dining table nila. I like this one. Will work hard for you. I like it. Dapat ito yung binili ko, guys. Dapat maliwanag siya. Madaming bulb sa dining table. Dining area po. Ayan siya, guys. Dapat ito yung kinuha ko. Ayan.
It's you and me on this beautiful day.
Look at this, guys. They have more options for the Ottoman chair and more sizes, guys. They have the big one also printed.
Thank you guys. Ang ganda ng high bar stool. Ayan guys. Yaya menu siya. Ayan guys, 999. So nice guys. Ayan. Ang sarap lang mangarap guys. Let me take you to this area guys. Ayan, mga yaya menu.
They have sale, guys, only 39 reals. This is nice for the long bench. Ayan, guys, yung cushion 39 na lang siya, guys. Maganda to. Yung ipaparenovate ko na indoor garden namin, guys. Ayan, sabi ko sa kanila gagawa sila ng long bench made of wood. Syempre masakit upuan yun, guys. You need this cushion. Ayan, guys, ready made na siya. 39. Ilalatag mo na lang siya ganyan sa long bench. This is nice idea. I think I want this color, guys.
Guys, but I think this one is more expensive. I think I need 3 of this one, guys. Malapad siya. They have too much options here. Ayan guys, and more here. Medyo malambot to siya, guys. Malambot, kaya mahal siya, guys. 169 compared this one, kasi ito parang firm siya, guys.
This rattan is in the trend now, guys. They're coming very strong in the market. More options, guys, over there.
Welcome to Home Center, guys. This is their new living area set. Ayan guys, ang sarap mangarap. Ang mga hampas lupa. Ang cute, guys. Look at this, guys. Yung menu. Ang sarap lang, guys. These are my favorite place, guys. Parang ang sarap kung may bahay ka siguro. Ayan, from dining table to kumain ng tuyo dyan.